Hello everyone, this Anusha SS from Maharani Science College for Women's Mysuru. Today I am going to talk about the applications of a big data analytics. What is a big data analytics? Big data is a terms of large and complex unprocessed data. This data is a difficult and also time consuming to process using a traditional processing methodologies. Applications of a big data analytics, banking and securities, media and entertainment, insurance, healthcare, transportation, energy and utilities, education, manufacturing. Banking and securities. The Securities Exchange Commission (SEC) is using a big data to monitor financial market activity. They are currently using network analytics and natural languages processor to catch illegal trading activity in the financial markets. Retail traders, big banks, hedge funds, and other so called big boys in the financial markets use big data for trade analytics used in high frequency trading, pre trade decision support analytics, sentiment measurement, predictive analytics, etc. This industry also heavily relies on big data for risk analytics, including anti money laundering, demand enterprise risk management, now your customer and fraud mitigation. Media and entertainment organization in the industry simultaneously analyze customer data along with behavior data to create detailed customer profit that can be used to create content for different tangent audience, recommended content performance, measure content performance. A case in point in the Windows Championship YouTube video that leverages big data to deliver detailed sentiment analysis on the tennis matches to TV, mobile, and web users on real time. Spotify, an on demand music services, uses Hadoop Big Data Analytics to collect data from its millions of users worldwide and then uses the analyzed data to give informed music recommendation to individual users. Amazon Price, which is driver to provide a great customer experience by offering video, music, and Kindle books in a one-stop shop, also heavily utilize big data. Insurance. Big data has been used in the industry to provide customer insights for transparent and simpler product by analyzing and predicting customer behavior through data delivered from social media, GPS enabled devices, and CCTV footage. The big data also allow for better customer retention from insurance companies. When it comes to clients management prediction analytics from big data has been used to offer faster service since massive amount of data can be analyzed mainly in the underwriting stage. Fraud detection has been enhanced through massive data from digital channels and social media. Real time monitoring of claims throughout the claim cycle has been used to provide insights. Healthcare. Some hospitals, like both Israel, are using data collected from a cell phone, all from millions of patients, to allows doctor to use evidence-based medicines and opposed to administering several medical lab tests to all patients who go to the hospital. A battery of a test can be efficient, but it can also expensive and usually ineffective. Free public health data and Google Maps have been used by the University of Florida to create a visual data that allows for faster identification used in tracking the spread on chronic disease. Transportation. Some applications of a big data governments, private organization and individual include government's use of a big data, traffic control, route planning, intelligent transport system, congestion management by predicting traffic condition. Private sector use of a big data in transport, revenue management, technology enhancement, logistics, and for a competitive advantage by consolidation, shipment, and optimizing freight movement. Individual use of big data, including route planning to save one fuel and time for travel arrangement in tourism, etc. Education. Big data is used to quite significantly in higher education. For example, the University of Tasmania, an Australian university with over 26,000 students, has developed a learning and management system that tracks, among other things, when a student logs onto the system, how much time is spent on different pages in the system, as well as the overall progress of student over time. In a different use cases of the using of big data in education, it is also used to measure teachers' effectiveness to ensure a pleasant experience for both student and teachers. Teacher performance can be fine-tuned and measured against student numbers, subject matter, student demographics, student aspirations, behavioral classification, and several other variables. On a government level, the Office of Educational Technology in the USA Department of Education is using big data to develop analytics to help correct courses students who are going astray while using online big data courses. Manufacturing and natural resources. In the natural resources, industrial big data allows for a predictive modeling to support decision making that has been utilized for ingesting and integrating a large amount of data from geospatial data, graphical data, text, and temporal data area of interest where this has been used, including seismic interpretation and reservoir characterization. Big data has also been used to solving today manufacturing challenges and to give a competitive advantage among other benefits. In the graphics below, a study of Deloitte showed the use of supply chain capabilities from big data currently in use and this expected use in future. Thank you.